Contemporáneo Juvenil 1 Pareja, Tamiris Ballet de Cava, Buenos Aires, con la obra Claro Oscuro. Participante Lara Messina Pupo de 13 años y Valentín de Giorgio Minico de 14 años. Coreografía número 75.
How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core, or I become so numb. Your soul, my spirit sleeping somewhere cold until you find it Wake me up inside, wake me up inside, call my name and sing me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Now that I know what I'm without, you can just leave me.
Coreografía número 75. Avisamos a